Hi teacher, my name is John Freddy Ruiz Aparicio. I study analysis and software development. In this moment, I'm going to talk about my best friend. His name is Andres Felipe Roa Castillo. Andres is 23 years old. My friend's birthday is May 31st, 1999. He is studying a Bachelor of Mathematics in a public university, and he has a job at a fast food stand with his uncle. In this photo, Andres had long hair. However, he was bored because it was curly in the back. My friend is Colombian. He lives in Bucaramanga City. His hobbies are listening to Selena Quintanilla, Menudo, Miley Cyrus, and playing with cell phone. He often cleans his house and goes to the gym. Now, his new look is like this photo. Yesterday, we went to Aratoca with my pet. He like pet too. For example, he has a dog, two cats, and he is very happy with they. Thanks, thank you for your attention.